Organize your gear. Lock the orientation. Introducing the Arbsession microTRAP and corner trap lineup. Meet the Arbsession microTRAP Basic Capture, a small corner trap that slips right onto your micro carabiner and locks your gear into place. It's made from ultra-durable TPU, installs in seconds, and it works with DMM XSREs and most other micro carabiners. Once it's on, your gear stays oriented where you want it. If you're running webbing or small diameter cord, then the microTRAP webbing capture is for you. Same idea as the microTRAP Basic, same easy install. Just with a center hole so you can capture webbing or cord without everything twisting up. And if you're on full-size carabiners, we've got a corner trap for those too. Use it as a traditional corner trap to keep your gear positioned, or use the center hole to capture webbing or cord. Small parts, big difference. Endless ways to dial in your setup. Designed and printed in the USA by the Arbsession Prototype Mill. Get yours today at arbsession.com.